Okay, am I allowed to guide you or I'm not?
You're not allowed.
I'm not
I know
allowed.
everything.
Okay, so I'm not allowed to guide you. So what you're gonna ruin my face. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Can I do yours?
No,
Please.
no,
Please.
no.
I can do beautiful makeup.
I know, I can see.
Please.
No. It's no.
Okay then.
Oh. Okay.
Come, sit down, sit down.
So as all of you know that this is my little one, Halima. And what do you want to do today?
I want to do her makeup.
Why? Why you wants to do my makeup?
Because I don't know nothing about makeup.
Because you're my little corn girl. Goodbye. Okay, so first you need to tell me because it's quite risky. Who did that? Oh. Okay.
It's gonna be quite noisy today.
It looks like Mr. Wilson is doing his lawn. Just when we're going to do
Pro video.
our video. Yeah, it's gonna be quite noisy then. I stopped my husband to sing a song and now this. Anyway, we're gonna carry on doing because we don't want to ruin the moment. Yeah, because it's like I came upstairs from the breakfast after my tea and I saw she is doing her makeup.
I was not.
Okay. So I came upstairs and she was doing her makeup.
I was not.
Oh yeah.
I was not.
And that's so I don't want to ruin her moment. This is my first time she will do my makeup. And do you know anything about makeup?
No. What do you start your makeup with? I know.
Okay.
You start your makeup with this.
With this? Okay, show them.
This one. This thingy. I don't know what this is.
This one is hidden your dark circles. No, I don't start makeup with this. If I go for whole day, I use this one. And if I stay half day, say for example I need to do quick makeup, then I do this one. So I put this one all over my face.
You're gonna do just 3 minutes.
And
I don't see it. Okay. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, yeah.
okay, am I allowed to guide you or I'm not?
You're not allowed.
I'm not
I know
allowed?
everything.
Okay, so I'm not allowed to guide you. So what you're gonna ruin my face. Yeah? Okay. I'm not allowed to guide you.
No. Accepted.
I'm wearing this to remove this. My God, I can't believe this. It's supposed to be ripped. Then I can't breathe. I feel like Batman. Batman! Batman! Now, tidy up time. Look what you did. I feel like I got mustache here.